ads but still not getting clients? I get you because I have been there too. Next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you a simple system that helps you get consistent leads, grow your authority, and finally feel confident about your business online. Hi, I'm Khushi Yadav, founder of Digital Growth 100. My journey altogether started from getting certified in digital marketing skills to trying and testing out at my own in the market to being a performance marketer and today helping brands to go online and scale their revenue. I know what it feels like to work every day hard, make every effort, go late to sleep every night but still not get any clients. That's why I have created the system for business owners just like you to grow confidently without wasting any more time, energy and money that I've already done. So let's get started. I know you feel frustrated because you're making every effort from your end, posting daily on social media, but that doesn't attract clients. Either you are not running ads because you don't know or it's very tech heavy, or even if you're running ads that doesn't make any change in the result. That only results in increase in CPL and that's confusing and expensive for you day by day. You don't know whom to trust. Every time you open your social media, another coach promises you things. You go in a free or paid webinar but the results are still same. There's no clear system to convert the leads and ultimately even if you move one step forward, you go again back 2 steps back. I know you don't need 10 to 12 things. You just need these 3 things. If you fix these 3, you are going to change the current revenue position that you're currently generating. You need consistent high quality leads. You need high ticket clients who are ready to pay you at your own price. And the trusted source that can make your business do your business setup online in a very foundational way. Let's break few myths. That's very important. See, you need to understand that you don't need thousands of followers, don't need a good fan following base. You don't need to be an influencer or a big celebrity. Even your content doesn't need to go viral in millions of views. And even you don't need to spend heavy ad spend like crores of rupees. Then what do you need? You just need a proven system, a step-by-step system that actually converts your existing clients, existing audience into paying clients. Here comes my authority launch and lead system. This is complete step-by-step roadmap. It's a complete done for you plus done with you system where I will be personally helping you, guiding you to generate that kind of revenue right from the foundational level. What does this include? So it includes authority setup done for you, profiling, branding, messaging that builds trust, content and social media, not just the way we did till now for views, but in a way, in a strategic way, in an engagement strategy that actually builds your organic audience, plus you attracts some best quality clients. And landing page and automation which captures leads and that leads goes into conversion that gets paid, that gets into paying clients, gets actually converted. Here you need funnel. Funnel includes many pages and it can be different for any business. But these 2 things, landing page and the VSL funnel and any webinar funnel or any funnel, this in the market actual cost is 1 to 2 lakhs that actually worth. Paid ads and retargeting to get leads consistently, ultimately trying and testing to get your CPL down. Sales assistance, oh my god. So sales is part that every business owner responsibility is. It's like every sales team has to do, but we are going to also assist in that. We are going to give you scripts, we are going to tell the strategy so that you can convert these clients, increase the conversion rate so that you never miss a client. Don't you think this is entire launch pad right from setup to launch to scale ultimately to conversion? Now you can be anyone, you can be business owner, a consultant, you can have service, you can be a product seller, you can be a local business or a content creator, or even if you don't have any niche but you have this passion that I want to go online, I want to build my personal brand, I want to sell something in a very professional manner, attract high quality clients, minimum clients, but they pay me high amount. Then you require the system. Now I know that business never runs on hopes and promises. It runs on the numbers. So let's take an example and let's see how our system can actually help you. Let's suppose you are a course creator and the size of, the product rupees is 10,000. That's actually genuine in the market. And the ad spend is 50k, which is literally if you get 5 clients, you're going to recover your ad spend. In 50k, you get 5,000 reach. 5,000 are the people who see your ads, out of which 1,000 people submits their phone number or any lead that's actually lead. So your cost per lead is 50 rupees and the conversion I'm taking just 2% out of 20. Out of 100%, that's actually 20 sales you're able to crack, which is making 2 lakhs, and that's ROAS of 4x. We're not going to stop here. let's see the power of retargeting and nurturing. This is our extended form of our system. This is actually, so this is not just the power of ads that we're going to run ads, it's complete business system setup. Now, if you remember, 5,000 were the people who saw our ad, out of which 1,000 people gave the leads. So remaining 4,000 people. Now, these are the people who have seen our ad once, they have seen our face, they have a bit of knowing familiarity with us, a bit of more trust and confidence needs to be, given to them. If I talk about leads, 1,000 leads, out of 1,000, 2%, which means 20 people bought the course, which means 980 are the people who are remaining. These are the people who not only saw our ad, but also clicked on it, gave the lead, but because of some objection, they were stopped from purchasing the course. These are the people who had interest in product. So for this audience, which is cold audience, we're going to retarget, we're going to show them ad again and again, because these are the people who have already seen us. A bit more confidence needs to be built. For this side, warm audience, we're not only going to retarget but also nurture, because these are more easy to convert because they've also given the lead in the previous past. Let's suppose the retargeting ad spend is 30K. Now, the conversion here we are considering just 3%, which is 120 buyers, you're making revenue of 20 lakhs. And here conversion 5% because they are more easy to convert, 49 buyers, that's total revenue of 4.9 lakhs. Now, just calculate 4.9 lakhs plus 20 lakhs plus previous 2 lakhs. That's about 26.9 lakhs that we are making. Even if you deduct the ad spend we have just done, that's around 50K in the past and 30K now in the retargeting budget. That's not even 1 lakh, but we have generated 26.9 lakhs. This is complete system being given to you. And congratulations, this is not even being stopped here. There's also another thing that you're going to add. This is the power of personalized strategies. I've taken an example which is of a t-shirt or an e-commerce brand. You can take it any course or any ebook or any main product that you're selling for a low ticket. Let's suppose the price of your product is 2K and we are going to apply here an upsell strategy, which means when your client or the customer comes to the checkout page, they are going to also see another option wherein they can take and they can add this also in their cart, which is around 5K. That's upsell strategy. It looks like something like this, that you are these points away from free shipping or free delivery or any bonuses that you can, tell them that you can unlock, or any one-on-one consulting, any higher end ticket. You get 1,000 leads, out of which 200 people are the people who purchases your main product, which is 2K. 50 people purchases 5K product, which is making the revenue of 4 lakhs. These 4 lakhs you have generated because of this main product. But the additional 2.5 lakhs are the additional revenue which you have made just from this upsell product purchases, which means that because of this strategy of putting this upsell, higher end ticket product in the checkout page in a smart way, you were able to generate 2.5 lakhs. That's 62.5% extra with zero cost. See, whenever you calculate ROAS or ad spend, you will be calculating for this 4 lakhs. This 2.5 lakhs is additional revenue that has been purely generated because of high optimized converting strategy. Now, these strategies increases your conversion rate without increasing any additional expenditure or cost. Just imagine, this is just one strategy, one single strategy where you generate upsell strategy. Imagine when we go on one-on-one call and we deeply understand your business and needs, and then we apply personalized strategy just for your business, 2, 3, 4, even 10. Imagine the revenue that we are going to generate. So the question over here is that you need to know that this is the system, how it works. I have shown you. Now the question is, do you want me to help you implement this system so that you can focus upon running upon your business, do more important tasks, while leads are coming in consistently for your business? See, hiring a team like this normally costs 1 to 3 lakhs per month. Now you can calculate it for a year. And this is absolutely worth because they're helping you do their setup, your business setup, plus helping you generate decent revenue, which is scaling. Now here I'd like to give the disclaimer. हम चाहकर भी 5 क्लाइंट से ज्यादा नहीं ले सकते हैं per month because of my personal focus, because I'm personally involved in this. This is complete done for you and done with you system. If at times what happens is we get more than 5 plus qualified clients, what we simply say to them is we'll start working with them from the next month. Now, you have 2 options. Either you delay now thinking that I'll do later. See, if you're a really serious business owner, you will not have this mindset. But just I want to hit you over here saying Honestly think, क्या यही सेम चीज आपने पास्ट में नहीं सोची थी when you had the opportunity? What has the change? What it has changed? Nothing, right? So take a smart decision today. And the other choice is you decide now, and after 6 months you see your position being changed, you see your business going online, you see your business setup done, you see your business generating good amount of revenue. So don't wait 6 more months hoping things will change, because things will never change on their own. They will only change when you take a smart decision, a strong decision today. Let's take that decision today, and who knows that in next 6 months you may be ahead of your competitors. Click on the button given on the page. Book one-on-one strategy call with directly me. I know the amount of pain and struggle you go through every day. So now let's take a strong decision. Let's take a smart decision. Let's change this everything. Create a system that actually builds clients and builds a strong foundation for your business that can scale online. Click now and let's grow together. I'll see you inside the call.